Hi there, it's George here, and today I want to show you my second mango tree that germinated. Successful, here we go, this one. And as you can see here, what a big surprise, this mango tree germinated with a lot of stems, 3 or 4 stems, and that is brilliant. And this one is very beautiful looking and already growing leaves. This is most smaller, but it's okay. And you can see the kind of red leaves, awesome. Here we go. And I have some that dried because does not have energy to grow all the stems, this mango plant. But I can see a little one is here. Well, now let me show you close up this mango tree, a little one, and let's see just how it will be beautiful and will grow, and I should repot on time. That's it. Well, here is the lovely mango tree. As you can see, we have this mango with more big leaves and already green. They're looking so fragrant or stuff like that. And the second one with kind of red leaves because they are very fresh, and after a while they will turn like these leaves green, and these leaves will be more strong in a few weeks, I guess. Well, I'm so happy that I succeeded to germinate the second mango, and how interesting is with such many stems. As you can see, it was grow 4 stems, but one unfortunately mango decided to dry, or I didn't water it at the time, or I don't know, but I think all these 3 stems will be okay. We will see. And this mango seedlings, well, I grow it on the grow light and in the greenhouse effect because it's a winter time and in my room it's 18 degrees, but on that place it is more like 22 degrees, and that is good for this mango tree. But I have another mango that I have next to this one, and look at it. And I reported it, maybe you did see the video when I uploaded, and here is an update. Well, a new leaf was grow, and this one is a record. As you can see, how big, how interesting. Yeah, and look at the stem, already quite thick. We should wait 1 year more, and this one will be ready for grafting, but I don't know where to get grafted branch of mango tree to graft the mango tree, It's quite hard in my country to graft this kind of trees, and yeah, but I grow it for decorative purpose only. Of course I wish I have a mango fruit that will bring me a lot of joy, but what to do? It's quite hard. Well, and this little mangoes here, they will grow big like this one that sitting next to a coffee plant, and yeah, welcome to my family mangoes. Interesting. What variety is this one that it was germinated 4 stems? That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova and plant power. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye. Subscribe if you want.